Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, please consider subscribing. I have 2 giveaways going on right now. I'm wrapping this one up and I have a few more that I will be starting soon. And right now it is really raining outside. And I think my dog is freaking out. She's terrified of the rain. They're hiding somewhere. But I want to announce who my first ever winner is. I am very happy to announce. You all know I'm a little bit late showing this because I've mentioned my mom had been in the hospital and she's been diagnosed with stage 3 kidney failure, and she almost died. They said they're really surprised she did not have a major heart attack before she could even make it there. So, and then between that and my son and the school, I completely forgot about announcing my winner. This was the 200 subscriber winner, my very first, and like I said, I have 2, the Ipsy, I can leave a link above, and my Allure. Both of those are going on now, and I have another one. a pretty big one I'm fixing to start because I'm at over 400. Are y'all having problems with your YouTube? Yesterday, I'm serious, yesterday I looked and it was 414, and less than 10 minutes later I looked again and it was 400 exactly. And I'm thinking, okay, I know people unsubscribe. I know a lot of people unsubscribe that go to the channels to get, that just do it to get people to, I forget what they call it, to get you to subscribe to their channel. I know that happens, but I'm thinking, no way is that 14 gonna unsubscribe in 10 minutes. And that's not the first time it's happened. So then it came through and told me I had 2 people subscribe, so it went to 402, and I looked a few minutes later and it was back to 400. And then it told me somebody else subscribed, and I looked, all of this within an hour, and it was still at 400. So, and I've heard some other people say that YouTube keeps taking their subscribers away. So did anything happen to y'all? This is Friday, so it would have been Thursday evening. Did anything like that happen to y'all? It just really had me weirded out at first, thinking, wow, people really hate me. 14 people unsubscribed to me in 10 minutes, but I really do think it was YouTube. So this was, I'm not going to touch it, this was the palette. And then there was the Lime Crime palette and a lippy, and I will probably include something else. So there was that. This is just to remind y'all, this was the Moonchild Glow Kit Anastasia Beverly Hills. And my winner is, are you guys ready? I really felt so guilty because I can only choose one winner, and I don't have a lot of money, so I really wish I could give something to everybody, and I almost feel sad that I can only pick one winner. I do feel sad that I can only pick one winner, but I'm sure I know you all understand. And I actually have another one of these. I'm going to be doing another giveaway with the other one. I know a lot of y'all really like this, so I'm going to be doing another giveaway soon with another one of these and some other things. So ready? My giveaway is Bethany from One Busy Mama. I love you, Bethany. Contact me and let me know where to send your things. And if you're not on my YouTube, my Instagram, it is Need Change Now 20. I think I went and followed you, and anybody else is welcome to follow me and email me or message me, because I know we can't do that on YouTube. So anybody is welcome to go follow me on Instagram and send me messages or whatever you want. And I love you guys. I will see you soon. Bye bye.